What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to secure your MacBook Pro and make it more private. So let's go ahead and start. As you guys know, privacy is very important nowadays, especially with all the change we saw in the last few years. Like most people pay with their smartphones right now, and you use like a lot of your bank accounts with your laptops. So it's very important to make sure it's secure and private. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, click on open the system settings and then search privacy and security. Once you do that, go all the way down and search for accessories. Make sure it's ask for no accessories. For example, like if it's automatically allow when unlocked, change it to ask for no accessories, and then click file vault and make sure it's turned on. So basically file vault secures the data on your disk by encrypting its content, and which may protects your data from being hacked by someone. After you do that, click on click on analytics and improvements, and make sure these are turned off, like share Mac analytics, improve Siri and dictation. Everything should be turned off. Once you do that, we're gonna go up and click on location services and check which apps use your location. Like personally, I like to turn off the location services because some applications collect the data about you, like which locations you visit. So they send you like ads concerning the places you visit, and that's not good. So it's good to turn off, or at least make it minimal, you know. Once you do these steps, that's good for your privacy. Search Spotlight in your menu, or just type it in the search bar. So Spotlight, which is this one, and click and turn off Help Apple Improve Search. So once you turn off this one, you're gonna be able to make your browsing history in Safari more private, because if it's not, Apple will collect your searches and use it to improve the search on their browser. So it's good to make sure it's turned off just to be safe. And that's it for this video. So if you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials, and thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys on the next one.